welcome back to my channel. This is me, Chimdi, and we're going to be doing a food video today. So I'm trying to prepare my meal prep for the week. It's not a complete meal prep. I'm only preparing my lunch for the entire week. So I'm going to be showing you what I did and what I made. Okay, so for this week we're going to be having kale and quinoa salad with some rice and chicken for lunch. I'm one of those people that doesn't really get tired of eating the same thing, so I'm going to have the same lunch every day for the next 5 days. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I will be using for the salad. Okay, so here is the kale. These are Lasianto. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it's Lasianto kale, and I already washed them. I washed them like 3 times. So first time with vinegar, and then salt, and then like normal water, because when you get them they're pretty dusty, so like try to wash them properly. Okay, so this is like 1 bunch and like half a bunch, so that's this. It's just I just cut them into like rings and I put them on here for them to dry. And then we're going to have like, we have here, what do we have here? Caramelized onions. Okay, so I already did this earlier. I put it over like over medium to low heat with some what did I use? Olive oil and a little bit of salt. Yep, and just kind of like stir them occasionally to like let it become like brown like this. Okay, and then we have almonds. So I toasted, these are salted almonds, but they were whole before, so I toasted them a little bit and then I chopped them into like halves. But the thing is, you're not going to, when you're chopping them, it's not entirely going to be half. Some of them are going to break into like tiny little pieces, so like that's fine. Like you can't really help it. And then dates. So they were whole dates, but then I cut them into like quarters. These are not like regular dates. I got the honey glazed dates because I think they taste nicer, and they're already like, the peats were already removed, so I didn't need to remove the peats. So I just like got them and cut them into like quarters. So how much of these did I use? So this was like half heaping cup of dates, and the almonds were like, I think they were a half cup or 1 cup. Actually, I forget. I'm gonna put it down anyways. And then we have our quinoa. I made half a cup of quinoa. Honestly, I'm forgetting most of this, but I'm gonna put it down. And yeah, I cooked that with some garlic, just like 1 clove, and that's the quinoa. And then for the dressing, we're going to be using half lime. These kids are playing outside today. Oh, okay, just forget about them. So we're going to be using half lime, 1 mandarin orange or clementine. I'm not very sure what like people call these, but sometimes I hear it's clementine, sometimes it's mandarin. Anyways, that's just what we're using. We're going to be using olive oil, maple syrup, salt, and black pepper. Some great value, because you know, you're not trying to buy the expensive stuff here. So I'm going to be showing you how I make the dressing here. Okay, so let's make this dressing. So we need to juice this clementine. Honestly, I'm not sure I'm gonna do it, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna slice it in half and just like squeeze it with my hands. So let's see. Oh, nice. There we go. You know how like you order like lemonade and it's very expensive? That's because like one lemon does not even give you like more than maybe 2 tablespoons. You need to squeeze so much of all these things. So oranges, lemons, you need to squeeze so much of them to get a decent amount. I actually like the way it looks. Okay, I'm trying to get everything that I can. We ain't wasting no clementines here. Okay, I think that's good enough. And then we're going to use half a lime. Oh. I'm sure there's an equipment for this. There definitely is an equipment for this, but I'm ratcheting it out using my hands, if that's a word. Okay. I think I'm good. Guys, I'm using like all the muscles that I've been training on top of this lime. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Let me tell you something about this maple syrup. I don't know, but like every time I close it up, it's gonna have this like dried out maple syrup on the edges, and I swear to you, sometimes it takes a village to open this thing. Ugh, it's so annoying. So now I don't even quite close it all the way. I just kind of like, and that's it. But anyway, using two teaspoons. Honestly, I like maple syrup, so I think I'm gonna use a little bit more than 2 teaspoons. Where is a teaspoon? One teaspoon. So let's put 1, 2, and just like maybe a little bit more. Okay. And then half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, or not half a cup, I mean a quarter of a cup extra virgin olive oil. I think the olive oil is what really makes the kale soft. Bada bam. Okay. And then some salt and ground black pepper. That's enough. So I'm not trying to put a whole lot of salt in this, just because like salt is, too much salt is not really good for you. And then I'm gonna put half a teaspoon of black pepper. I do like black pepper. Okay, that's not quite half. Okay, that's better. We're going to whisk this all together. I'll find this. Here's the chicken I made earlier. So I just cooked this with some spices, and then I put it in the oven for it to like grill a little bit, and then I took it out and put it in here. And here's the rice. I just cooked some brown rice, 1 cup of brown rice, and I added some butter to give it a little bit of flavor. And yeah, that's this too. All right, we're going to be mixing our salad now. So get yourself a big bowl like this guy, and we're gonna put our kale in there. Okay, after you put your kale in there, you're going to put your quinoa. And then you're gonna put your caramelized onions. This is 1 whole onions. And I'm gonna put like half of this guy. Just, I don't know, use my eye to measure it. And then I'm gonna toss it. I'm not going to like, this smells really good. Alright, so I'm just gonna taste this and see how it tastes like. Man, okay, let's do this. I think I'm going to add the rest of the dressing. Okay, let's see. That tastes really good actually. But it's just very little left. I'm gonna just put everything in. Then I'm gonna put our almonds. Ooh. And our dates. You know you're not cooking if you're not tasting anything like regularly, no. This looks nice. Does it look nice? I like the way it looks. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and also a little bit of black pepper. There we go. Okay, I'm going to try and get everything in one fork. So like the dates, the almonds. Let me get some almond. See, oh my goodness. So I'm pretty much done with everything. So all I'm going to do, I don't know where I heard that from. Anyway, all I'm going to do now is put everything together in my Tupperware and put them in the fridge. Okay, and I have lunch for the week. Easy as pie. And there you have it, guys. That is my meal prep, lunch meal prep for the week. So in this, I just wanted to say that if you're looking to lose weight, you would have little to no carbs at all and more of like vegetables and protein. When I was trying to lose weight, I didn't have rice in my meal prep. I would have just salad and chicken. But I've been trying to gain some weight, and yeah, I've been putting like rice and potatoes or stuff like that in my meal prep. But yep, that's it. I hope you really liked this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comments, and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Anyway, I am signing out. Thank you. Bye.